Welcome, our doll BFFs.
Welcome to our channel, Nene and Sophia. I'm Nene, and this is my granddaughter, Sophia, and we do doll things. And so today, we have some new and we have some old that we'd like to share with you. I just had my Barbie Glam Collection Barbie delivered today. So we want to take a look at her. And then we have a vintage Christie. And we'd like to take a look at her. It's called a Bead'nBeauty Christie, and I'm not quite sure how it works.
We're gonna figure it out together.
Yay! Yeah, I hope it's not messy. Okay.
If it's not messy.
So let's look at these. I got these at Dollar Tree. So they are Barbie Halloween socks.
They're so cute.
I thought that those were cute. You know, if you want a pair to wear, I was going to see if I could make a Barbie doll sweater.
Oh, that'd be so cute.
Or a little dress or something like that out of it. You know, I'm kind of picky about my socks, and I've got really big feet, so I didn't think they would fit.
Socks. I use regular.
Oh, yeah. So I thought I might just try to make some doll clothes out of them.
Yes.
But you might keep an eye out for those at the Dollar Tree. So let's slide this out of the big cardboard box there.
Did I ever see this one? I don't think so.
I don't know if I showed this one to you or not.
So it might be a surprise for both of us.
So this is the Gala Collection.
Oh, you did not show her.
I thought I said no. Gala Collection Barbie. And I've got to say, I was like, no, I'm going to be good. I'm not going to buy anything else. I'm just going to, but she's like almost everything you look for in a Barbie.
Yeah.
Like the face mold, and I like pink on the Barbie.
Yeah.
And she's got pink, and it's a glamorous gown. You know, it's like something that we don't see all the time in our Barbies, and who doesn't like fur? And she's got fur, she's got jewelry, she's just the full package. And I'm like, out of some of the dolls I order, why would I not order her? So I had to do it. Yeah. So let's take her out of the box and we will take a look at her. Okay, we're back. I always think, oh, that's going to be easy to get those out. And then it's more of a challenge than I thought. Like, she had the little plastic, around her legs and things like that, which, come off really easy. And then I got to her hair, and she had 3 of the T-ties in her hair, and she had it sewn with the thread all down the back. And so it was more than I anticipated. But she has this pink box that says Pink Premiere on the side. This is this Gala Collection is a new collection from Mattel Creations. And on the back it says, the Barbie Gala Collection series showcases ultra glamorous, high fashion looks inspired by celebrated red carpet moments. The collection debuts with the show-stopping Barbie Pink Premiere doll. She wears a stunning mermaid gown accessorized with a lush faux fur white wrap lined with bee-shaped hearts. Barbie appears poised and ready for her highly anticipated walk down the red carpet. She is on a model muse body, and it says Pink Premiere doll. She comes with a certificate of authenticity that says Gala on there, and she has her Gala, and she has her stand. It's kind of a translucent with a little bit of sparkle to it stand. It's kind of like a saddle stand, but yeah, I don't know if I've seen one like that before. This is her fur. Yeah, I was like really happy with the tie, like the things on her legs, but there were some little plastic holding the bottom of her dress down in the box. So I hate when they do that, because I always feel like it kind of damages the fabric. But this is the little bee hearts on the inside, the linings like a satin. So that was really cute. And then for the doll herself.
So I'll start with her hair.
Here, can you get up here?
So Her hair, I like long hair on Barbies. I think she really fits that long hair look. And I like how they did that. I think that's really cute. And she doesn't have, like, bad feeling hair.
No, it's a little...
Yeah, it needs a little...
attention out of the box. It does look, I think it has like a kind of some like highlights and lowlights. Like it's kind of a darker gold color underneath and a platinum blonde on the top.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, good notice. And then she's got her pretty blue eyes. I like her lip color. That's like a really pretty...
It has a little highlight on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of like a little like frosted highlight in the middle.
And then she's got her silver earrings and a cute silver necklace. And she has also got on both hands silver bracelets. And then she's got like gloves that don't go to the hand and isn't attached to the dress.
Which I think is a very glamorous look.
Yes, I think that's really cute.
Very Hollywood.
She's also got a heart ring.
Well, that's pretty. Oh my goodness, for me. Is her nails painted?
Oh yes, her nails are painted a light pink, kind of hard to
pretty.
notice.
That's very pretty.
And then her dress, and we got this.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We didn't get that out from her legs yet. Very pretty.
And then she's got some pink shoes to match the look.
Some little pumps there. Okay. Yeah, we couldn't take the plastic out on the back, and I can get it. I just needed, I think I need some smaller scissors. I didn't want to cut the satin. But she has Velcro in the back, but then up here at the top, they have a little stitch in it. So to be able to, oop, I think I just got it.
Oh.
I was going to try to cut it, and then I was afraid, and I didn't want to pull on it. Didn't want to tear, it's still kind of in there. That's a little bit better. So I couldn't take this out because I couldn't get the back of her dress undone. But one thing I do like about this train is that it's lined all the way up. So when it hangs, you know, you don't see like the inside of the fabric, or you don't see the stitches or anything. You just, you know, it's all finished all the way around, which is very nice.
What would you give her out of 10?
I was trying to remember what I paid for her. I want to say 55. I think maybe 55. I think. Well, of course I like articulation, but you know, she kind of fits that model muse body. I mean, she's supposed to be glamorous, so this kind of pose and stuff. I really like the pink. I don't know. I think I would probably, I mean, she's, I don't know, 9 maybe?
9.5. I don't like that type of eye, but I still think she really matches that.
They could have maybe done, yeah. I think that they could have.
Your mom is that red? I don't know.
I think they could have done more maybe with the eye makeup.
Yeah. But I like how the lips, and I like everything else.
I don't know. Maybe 8.5. Now that I'm looking at her eyes, I think they could have done more with the eyes. But
I might give a 9 because I mean
I like all the jewelry. Yeah. It's got, you know, actual shine to it. And the earrings will dangle, but we still have the little plastic in our earrings kind of holding those in place.
So I gave her a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, I could see that. 8.5, 9.
Yeah.
Because, like I said, she's kind of like, you know, has all those glamour points that I like. The long hair and the jewelry.
Yes, because I like longer hair on dolls. I feel like you can do more with them.
Yeah. And
I just feel like it's cute.
I think, like, from your perspective, at least when I was a kid, I liked hair I could play with and I could style and stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay, we're going to try, let's look at this Christie again. Okay, so pretty, Bead and Pretty Christie. It says beat it and make it beautiful. And so I saw her somewhere. I'm trying to remember now. She was very reasonably priced. I think maybe like on eBay or something. And I was like, well, that is a really pretty Christie. I just really, really liked her face. I probably, you know, I would have liked her if she wasn't in the box. I just thought she was a really pretty doll, and she was a Christie. And so, but she came sealed in the box, and she has this little mechanism, I guess, that you can style an outfit with.
I love it. That's the one thing that I love about this.
Yeah, so she wants to try that. So let's get her out of the box, and let's see what all the parts are that we have here. And we'll be right
back. And I'm going to real quickly show you. So I already put a few on, if you can see that little shine.
For our Bead and Pretty Christie.
Yes. So I think
like this.
I'm going to do this medium-sized heart. So you're going to, at the end where there's that little end piece, you're going to get that, and then you'll have sticky on the other side. I'm gonna put that on maybe like the shoulder. I don't know, I'm just going for it basically. Then you gotta peel it off, and then it's on. And I'm gonna do one more just for the other side to match. And this is pretty easy.
So you would have liked this back in, I think you said the box said 2003.
I think so. I don't really remember. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this. And then.
Okay. So well, let's show them up here. So she put the top back on this. Okay, so it fits inside this little case, and down here it's got this little lock thing that I guess has beads in it. I guess that's where the beads are at.
Lock it.
And you choose a color.
So do we want?
I don't know if pink would show up, would it?
There's blue. It's kind of hard to move, so.
Do you need me to get it?
Yeah, you gotta do that.
Well, what color do you want?
There's blue, green, and pink. Do we want blue?
I don't care.
Okay.
Maybe you got a lot of pink on it, so maybe the blue would show up more.
Then shake it.
So
Locked.
Is it coming out?
See? There's beads coming on it.
Okay, that's cute. Oh. What I liked in it, it had this little brochure in the back of the box. It is a Barbie party guide, and it comes with some coupons in the back. So if you're buying some Barbie things for, I guess somebody's birthday or something. It's from 2002, and then it's got some beauty party tips in case you want to do some lip gloss or something, I guess, at your birthday party. It's got, let me see how it's looking. Oh, that's cute. It's got like some little cameras you can use at the party, so you can take pictures at the birthday party. And these dolls are really cute. What are these? Fashion photo Barbie, but that's not the fashion photo it's not the fashion photo I had. And Barbie Cool and Squeeze bubble cam. Oh, those are bubble cameras. Okay. And then here's some birthday party accessories. See if you wanted, back in the day, if you wanted to have a birthday party for Barbie. Oh, look at the little Kelly doll down there on the bottom. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look at her little pink hair. Isn't that cute?
So,
do you want to show everybody how pretty? So I guess what you could do too is like you did, and then all the extra beads, do they fall back in that hole?
They just go back in the hole.
That's nice. I guess you could have put some additional stickers on the top and then done it in pink, right? And then you could have had more than one color on the dress. And then do you let it dry or something?
Nope. It's just, that's all. I don't trust you.
Well,
You
I don't want to mess up your dress. I would let it sit for a while and let I don't know, maybe not. So anyway, here is Miss Christie that goes with that. So I guess you could do the same thing to this dress. Put some designs and some different things. She has kind of a chunky clog style. She has some lines on the bottom, like on her ankles from where she had the wire binding, you know, that you used to twist the wire on there. She has kind of an auburn color hair. And her she had two little pigtails out here to the side, and the rubber bands were disintegrated. I mean, they fell apart as I was getting her out. She's got a lot of shedding. I don't know what type of hair this is, but look at all that coming out. Maybe Conneclon? Is that what they said? Yeah, I don't know. But it's, I don't know. To me, it feels like cat fur. And then, ooh, see her hair's flying everywhere. This is some little purses, and it had this little purse stand in it, because I guess you can
also sticker the purses.
Yeah, and then you can put this little stand down in that little machine component, I don't know, shaker tube, and then put some pretties on the little purses. But I just thought the little stand was cute. I said you could use this for your little doll shop, or you could put it out in Barbie's yard and hang a little bird feeder or something like that on it. I just thought this was really cute. But I just thought her face, I don't know if I held it so you could see her face. Isn't her face pretty?
She's cute.
She just needs a little love. She needs her hair redone and maybe a little conditioner, because, like I said, it's shedding pretty bad. But that was fun. I think that would have been a fun set for a little girl to get and maybe design some outfits, because there's a lot of beads still left in there.
Yeah.
So
I'm pretty sure there's green and pinks in there too.
Yeah. So, and then are there more of these? There's several of these left, isn't there? So there's several stickers that it comes with. So anything I would think that it would stick on, kind of this, it's almost like a parachute fabric, a nylon or something would have worked. Gosh, all of this hair.
Ew.
Yeah,
Maybe got like a pile.
Yeah. Ooh.
Stop pulling it out then.
Well, yeah, it's gonna have to come out eventually. Look at that. Wow. Okay. All right. So we got our Gala Collection pink doll from Mattel. I think she came yesterday. Like I said, I didn't get her the first day that they were out, because I was like, ugh. But I just, all of her jewelry and all of her pretty pink in the fur, I'm just glad I got her, because she is very, very pretty. And then our Bead'nBeauty Christie doll was a lot of fun to play with. And, you know, kind of these gimmicky sets are a lot of fun. So, you know, Barbies that you can craft with.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like old time Barbies because they were like a lot fun.
You could do like a lot more fun.
Yeah.
You could do activities with them. You know, they had those gimmicks that you could,
like, you can like change the outfits into something else.
Yeah. Those were fun. And our socks from the Dollar Tree. So, thank you so much for joining us today. We really, really appreciate it. If you would hit that subscribe button, we'd appreciate that too.
Yes.
And we are on Instagram at nene_Sophia. So, like I said, if you would give us a like, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to ring that bell.
And remember that no matter how many trips you've taken around the sun,
take time to play and have some fun.
And until next time, this has been Nene.
This has been Sophia.
See ya!